Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest insights into the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we've got our eyes on Terra Classic, LUNC, and the recent buzz surrounding its remarkable surge. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the updates. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Terra Classic's recent surge. Over the past 30 days, LUNC has experienced an impressive 97.22% increase in value, grabbing the attention of the crypto community. The big question on everyone's mind is whether this surge is just a flash in the pan or the start of a steady climb. So, what's driving this surge? One significant factor is a strategic move by Terra Classic Labs. They made a hefty investment of approximately $500,000 into TerraClassicUSD, USTC, the algorithmic stablecoin linked to the Terra platform. This injection of capital is seen as a confidence-boosting move, possibly playing a role in the recent price rally. The Terra Classic community has also stepped up, rallying behind the token with collective efforts to revive the assets. This united front has led to impressive price growth for both USTC and Terra Classic over just a single weekend. Pivotal factor behind this rally is the substantial token burn that has taken place. Over 78.24 billion Luna Classic tokens have been destroyed, significantly reducing the circulating supply to 5.8 trillion. This move could add to the upward pressure on the token's price. Token burning is a mechanism frequently used in the cryptocurrency industry to manage inflation and enhance token value by reducing the overall supply. Now, with all these developments, speculation is rife in the crypto space. Is this surge sustainable, or are we witnessing a short-lived spike? The community, of course, is buzzing with excitement and anticipation. The question remains, is Terra Classic gearing up for a steady climb, or are we in for a rollercoaster ride? And there you have it, folks. The latest on Terra Classic and its recent surge. What are your thoughts on this rapid climb? Do you believe it's the beginning of something big, or just a temporary spike? Share your insights in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto updates. Until next time, happy trading on Smart Invest Pro.